Hey honeycrunchers, it's me Jham and welcome back to honeycrunch321. OMG sent me their Northern Lights collection last July 2019 and now I'm releasing my swatch and review video for this mesmerizing collection. This collection has 6 gorgeous nail polishes, and their different effects and shades can be seen from different angles. And of course, it can be seen depending on different lightings. Before the swatching starts, I want to tell you guys that I'll be swatching each nail polishes 3 times. First, I'll be swatching it on my nails. Second, it's on a black base. And third, on a white base. That's the reason why this video is longer than my other swatch and review videos. Now let's start swatching on my nails. First, we have this blue sky. This is how blue sky looks under 2 desk lamps. Now here's how it looks under the flash of my phone. Before applying 1 coat of blue sky, I always apply a base coat before every swatch. Now here's 1 coat of blue sky. You can now see the blue shimmery effect of it. Here's the second coat. Here's how sky blue looks with different lightings. Next, I'm swatching it over black. Oh yes, that's super cool. As for the black base, I'll only apply 1 coat of it. Blue sky on a black base looks so space-like. I wonder how it would look like if I do a galaxy nails with this nail polish. Here's a macro shot of my nail. Here's how blue sky with black base looks on different lightings. Now let's proceed swatching blue sky on a white base. Here's how blue sky with white base looks on different lightings. And here's how blue sky looks with different bases in outdoor lighting. Second we have is pink sky. It has that shimmery and glittery sheer pink shade. Here's how pink sky looks under different lightings. Next, I'm swatching pink sky over a black base. Wow, I can't believe how pretty this shade is. Here's a macro shot of pink sky over a black base. Here's how pink sky with black base looks under different lightings. Now let's proceed on swatching pink sky on a white base. Here's how pink sky with a white base looks on different lightings. And here's how pink sky looks with different bases and outdoor lighting. Third we have is Aurora Borealis. Aurora Borealis has a sheer blue shade with a shimmer of purple. Here's how Aurora Borealis looks with different lightings. Next, I'm swatching it over a black base. I didn't expect this one to look like this. It has a very unique appearance. Here's a macro shot of my nail. Here's how Aurora Borealis with black base looks under different lightings. Now let's proceed on swatching Aurora Borealis on a white base. Here's how Aurora Borealis with a white base looks under different lightings. And here's how Aurora Borealis looks with different bases with an outdoor lighting. Fourth we have is Violet Sky. It has that sheer shimmery violet shade. Here's how Violet Sky looks with different lightings. Next, I'm swatching it over a black base. It really transformed the black nail polish into something very eye-catching. Here's a macro shot of my nail. Here's how Violet Sky with black base looks under different lightings. Now let's proceed on swatching Violet Sky on a white base. Here's how Violet Sky with a white base looks on different lightings. And here's how Violet Sky looks with different bases with an outdoor lighting. Fifth we have is Green Sky. Sky has a sheer green shade that has a glittery and shimmery effect. Here's how Green Sky looks with different lightings. Next, I'm swatching it over a black base. This look totally reminds me of Slytherin, and it looks very fab. Here's a macro shot of my nail. Here's how Green Sky with black base looks under different lightings. Now let's proceed on swatching Green Sky on a white base. Here's how Green Sky with a white base looks on different lightings. And here's how Green Sky looks with different bases with an outdoor lighting. And the last shade we have is Yellow Sky. Yellow Sky has a yellow sheer base with a gold-looking shimmer. Here's how Yellow Sky looks with different lightings. Next, I'm swatching it over black. Yellow Sky made the black base looks extraordinary. Here's a macro shot of my nail. Here's how Yellow Sky with black base looks under different lightings. Now let's proceed on swatching Yellow Sky on a white base. Here's how Yellow Sky with a white base looks on different lightings. And here's how Yellow Sky looks with different bases in outdoor lighting. Everything from this collection looks so good. If you apply them on your natural nails, it will look so stunning. When applied over a black base, it turns out to look even more beautiful. I love how it transforms whether which base you use and which kind of lighting you have in a room. One bottle of nail polish costs 49 pesos and 75 cents. I'm super in love with this collection. I'm now thinking of doing an ombre or gradient nails with the shade over a black base. Would you guys be interested in watching a video for that kind of nail art tutorial? I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I would like to thank OMG for sending me this magnificent collection. Which among the shades is your favorite? I want to know it, so leave it on the comment section below. Don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!